And I've got something very funny in here. Something that everybody needs, Anna. Have you got one of these?
I don't have one of those. Who gave you that?
Everybody needs a chair with their face on it.
In Quarantour neem ik een kijkje in de meest leuke en spraakmakende huizen in Nederland. Maar dan virtueel. Want ja, we moeten nou eenmaal thuis blijven met z'n allen. Dus hoera voor de digitale wereld. En in deze aflevering ben ik bij... Welkom allemaal bij een nieuwe aflevering van Quarantour. Inmiddels hebben we er echt al een aantal gehad. En het is leuk dat het elke keer weer anders is. Want niet iedereen wil altijd hetzelfde van zijn huis laten zien. Deze week heb ik iemand waar jullie om vroegen, waar ik ook heel veel zin in had. Toen dacht ik, oh mijn god, natuurlijk. Het is niemand minder dan Mr. Nigel Barker. En Nigel en ik kennen inmiddels elkaar, ik denk een jaar of 3. We hebben natuurlijk Holland's Next Topmodel met elkaar gedaan. Het is echt een hele bijzondere man. Super veel wijsheden, heel veel algemene kennis. En ik heb inmiddels zoveel weken met hem doorgebracht, ook in het buitenland. Omdat je dan daar aan het opnemen bent natuurlijk. Dus we hebben echt de meest bijzondere gesprekken. En hij heeft ooit ook iets tegen mij gezegd wat ik nooit meer ben vergeten. Toen zei hij van... You're a collector of broken souls. En dat vond ik zo mooi hoe hij dat uitlegde. En hij is heel goed in het analyseren van mensen en precies aankaarten waar je dan mee zit. En ik mag hem echt heel graag. Dus ik ben blij dat hij dit wilde doen. Hij zit in New York, dus het is 6 uur eerder bij hem dan bij ons. En we gaan kijken hoe zijn huis eruit ziet. Het is natuurlijk het huis der huizen, helemaal omringd in een bosrijke omgeving. Ik heb er heel veel zin in. Let's go!
Hey al, er ging even wat mis met het geluid, dus ik ga hem overnemen. Oh kak, het is showtime. Hey Anna. Oh, I mean, hello. This is English, of course. Hi, how you doing? I'm fine, thank you. I'm at home now, as you see. I don't know what he's saying, but he's very happy to see Anna. So that is very nice. And now they're talking about the essence of life, I think. And then... we're going on to are the kids at home? En nou weer schakeling door tot het stuk where he is talking about the kids.
Homeschooling right now, so the schools have this whole setup to try and get the kids continue to work. It's not easy. It takes a lot of discipline and.
No, you don't have a routine anymore. No.
That's the tough part. You look well.
Thank you. Thank you. We've had a bit of sun.
Hello, beautiful.
Who is that? Is that the scene?
Well, who do you think it is?
That's what I'm wondering. There he is.
Hello, beautiful.
There's trouble.
Can't wait to see your house.
Yeah, we're so excited that you're going to show your home.
Absolutely, have fun. I know, thank you.
So have you done all the decorating and all of the construction yourself?
We've done I did a lot of it. I didn't do everything. I did a lot of bits and pieces. I did a lot of the interior design. Actually, a lot of the furniture in the house comes from my own furniture collection.
Oh, that's amazing.
So that's kind of fun. I like to get my hands dirty, and I like carpentry, and I'm happy to go plumbing. I'm even happy to...
You're happy to go plumbing? Did you say I'm happy to go plumbing? Really?
Yeah, I don't have a problem with doing the plumbing and doing those sorts of things which scare a lot of people.
Yeah.
I've always never had a problem with those elements.
Where are we standing now? What's the area that you're in now?
Right now. Are we doing this? Is this happening?
Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah.
Oh my god, I had no idea.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
So here we are. We're in my... basically my main living room as you walk into the house. So the way I have the house divided up, as you walk in, I'm not sure if you can see this, this is
beautiful.
The kitchen. Right, so one of the things I liked about this when I first moved up to Woodstock, because we live upstate New York, not in Manhattan anymore, is the fact that in New York I had a loft apartment, open and big, and then I came to Woodstock and everything was sort of small country houses. But this house had a very large open plan kind of feel to it. And as you walk in, this is the sort of the front door. And I can show you the sort of outside of the house, so you'll get a sense of it. You kind of walk in and it opens up.
It just feels very much at home straight away.
Very much at home. And all of this furniture here is a part of my NB2 collection that I designed.
Yeah, because you have your own you have so many sidelines, like so many side projects, it's hard to keep up.
Well, you know, one has to keep busy, Anna, as you know.
As I know.
see you doing 100 million things as well. You're the last person to tell me about that sort of stuff. But and if you look outside here, this is our patio on the back of the house. And this furniture is also made by me. This is part of my NB outdoor line. And that's a tree house. That's the very first thing that we built when we came to this house. Can you see that?
That is so cute. That looks really big too.
Yeah, that's kind of like, it's a pretty big treehouse. You can pretty much live out there. I joke, I made it for the kids, but I think actually it's my wife and I's secret getaway for a glass of champagne on a rather nice day. It's a little bit too old for it.
That is so cute. Can you sleep up there?
I mean, not in theory. It's not heated and it's not electric, but you can. There's actually a proper little room with windows. What I did inside of there is actually put some fencing down on the bottom of the wood to stop the mosquitoes coming through. So it's a very fine woven fencing, because otherwise they get through all the holes. So little details like that. But let me take you, where should we go first? I'll go upstairs and then we'll go down.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. So this is throughout my house. You'll see I've got lots of photographs.
Have you taken all of those?
This is a picture of Mick Jagger, so I didn't take.
Oh, I can't see that.
And this one is Led Zeppelin.
Oh Lord, there you go. It would be really epic if you would have taken those.
You know, I've done a lot of epic things, Anna, but not taking pictures of Rolling Stones yet.
Not yet.
Maybe, you know, that's still on my agenda. Actually, most of the art in my house is not mine. I don't like really to walk around and see my own pictures hanging around because I grew up with them. I like to see other people's work. So this is the adult sitting room.
No kids allowed.
Well, they can kind of sometimes when we've done things, but we like to have it's important to have a place to go and hang out by yourself where the adults aren't. Up here is more eclectic. Downstairs, as you noticed, was very monotone, and it's more of a blank canvas.
This is more Moroccan-inspired, Marrakesh.
Yes, exactly, and I think that's actually is absolutely right. Marrakesh is my favorite place in the world, so I've been there 20 times.
Wow.
So my brother had a riad there. I grew up going there every summer because my family had a place in the south of Spain. So that was a big part of almost my heritage as far as, the color palettes. And I love the light in Morocco, and not just the light, I love the shadows in Morocco. And this room gets fantastic for this big window here. It's fantastic evening light as it comes through and the sun sets right over there. And as you can see, this little alcove here.
Yeah, I love that.
Can you see the detail in the wood here?
That's amazing. Don't tell me you did that as well.
No, so that is a piece of wood that used to be a ceiling in a house in Peshwari in India that fell down, and we bought this piece of wood and I put it in here and created this platform, but it's actually a ceiling. It's actually a piece of a ceiling.
That's so creative. That's a lovely thing to do.
A little bit of fun, and then let me walk through here.
It's so much more than a pretty face.
Yeah.
Look
at that.
I appreciate that. So this is our bedroom. No one really comes in here.
Wow. I feel honored that you're showing us this. That's so nice. That's a dream catcher?
That's a very, very large dream catcher because I've got really big dreams, Alan.
You've got big dreams and you're not afraid of them.
Not afraid of them.
No.
Yeah, not afraid of catching them. Into our bathroom. And I've got something very funny in here. Something that everybody needs, Anna. Have you got one of these?
I don't have one of those. Who gave you that?
Everybody needs a chair with their face on it.
With the hands like right cupped near the ass so you can hold it? That is amazing.
So that used to be in our guest bedroom, but all our guests would abuse the chair.
Yes, of course they would.
Get on the chair and they would take selfies. It was like the #1 selfie item in my
I would
house.
do it. It's so inviting.
Well, the chair, the hands are right there in that really awkward place. So when you sit there, my hands are right between your legs. So you can only imagine the naughty stuff that would have come out of it.
Yeah.
So we ended up taking that down and putting it up in my bathroom. But it was given to me by an old friend of mine. It's a fashion designer called Pamela Rowland. You know, I guess she just thought that was the one thing I didn't have.
It's a good gift to have.
Quickly, let me have a look what else we've got down here. This is on the main floor
Oh,
again.
look
These
at all
are
those
my kids' bedrooms.
pictures.
My daughter's not here, but you can have a peek.
So cute.
So she's very
She
pink
loves
and
pink.
zesty. Let's see if my son.
You poor guy.
Oh, that's my dog. That's my son, Jack.
Hey!
Say hi, Jack.
How are you?
Oh, there you go, Memphis.
Hey,
This
Memphis.
is all a part of the NB2 collection as well. Jack has a bedroom with all my furniture in it.
Wow.
And it's kind of fun. He's got a few. That item above there is something I found 25 years ago at an antique market.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's important. I think one of the fun things is to get things that you collect over time for a
Yeah.
house.
And you don't
know,
get
it's
sick
fun.
of them over the years? You just keep them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this wall of photographs.
Oh,
kind of
that's
fun.
all family. That's so beautiful.
Yeah, so I've got pictures of my mum and my father, and it goes through the generations. My wife's family over here, you know, and it's historic. It's like a laundry, which they, you know, she has a Chinese laundries where her family, that's the first business that they created back in the turn of the century. Yeah, so it's kind of nice because you get a historic take of the family every time you walk by and you remember where you came from, which I think is always quite important to see.
So important.
You know.
And you guys are all so neat. Everything is so neatly done. It's not cluttered. It's just, it all looks really peaceful.
We have a lot of space. My daughter Jasmine, I think, quickly wants to say hello.
Hey,
as well.
Jazzy. How are you, lovely?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I love your room. I love the pink.
Thank you.
And you look really tall, like your dad.
She is.
I feel like you look taller than the last time I saw you.
Oh yeah, she's 5'6.5" now, which is, I don't even know what that is in centimeters, but she's
Tall.
Giant shot. We're gonna go down to the basement. Now this is the last thing that we've just completed.
Mm-hmm.
We have a full-size basement, the same size as the whole of each floor of the house, and we developed the whole thing just last year.
Mm-hmm.
And here we go. So
It's the ultimate man cave. Oh, look at that.
I'll take you around. So, first of all, pool table,
Oh
and it's a full-size 9-foot pool table,
my God.
which is a lot of fun at night. My wife is a pool shark.
Is she really good?
Oh, she's really good. Here we have Rocky. This is my son's lizard. Can you see Rocky?
Where is Rocky? Oh my God. Oof. Okay, see, that is a fascination I never got to understand. I'm like,
He's 4 feet long. He has a custom cage. Look at
Oof.
the size of that cage he's in. He lives until he's 65 years old. So you've got to...
he might outlive your ass.
He's going to outlive me, that's for sure.
Oh my
For
God.
sure. So this is my new toy. I just got a rowing machine
Okay.
because in quarantine you've got to stay fit.
So you don't have a gym in the house because you usually have your own gym, obviously, so you wouldn't
Right.
need to.
Exactly. Normally I'm at the dog pound or doing something. I have another gym that locally
Yeah.
I go to. I got just, this is the first thing I bought down here was
The
this
Smeg.
which I noticed that Kim Finster.
I know.
Pink Smeg
Well, a
dishwasher or
pink
something.
is like a girl's dream. I'm surprised you chose orange. It's like the Dutch color.
I like orange. I've always, maybe that's why I like the Dutch so much. I think we've pretty much done it. The only person who you haven't seen yet is Stella. Hey, Stella.
Hi, Stella. Hello.
Hello, Chrissy. So we've got lots of rescue animals around the house.
You just take care of them all?
Rescue dogs. No, my wife is pretty much the one who they all love and adore. You know, I'm slightly all terrified of me. I think I go pounding through the house to make too much noise.
It's those big feet of yours, like
something like that.
Yeah.
Something like that.
I was telling them before I called you, I was like, and some people may not know that about you, but what I love is that we've just created this special bond during all those filming seasons, and that you're so wise and you know so much of so many things. I just don't think they know already, so I just wanted to tell you that. Like the intro is going to be in Dutch.
Being old.
Because old knows what?
It's a very nice way of saying that I'm old.
No, it's not that you're old. Most of the things that you said to me, they just got stuck here. It's just, you have a very open way of looking at life, and I can see that in your home as well. It's really calm and open, and it's very much like you.
I think it's important to find yourself and create a space that is an oasis of calm. I think we live in a very chaotic, crazy world, and if you can create areas which is one of the reasons why the first floor is so monochromatic, is that you come in, it's a bit of a blank canvas, it doesn't overstimulate you, you can just calm down. Upstairs, which I showed you, which is that adult area, that has all the colour, it has all the memories, it has all the nostalgia, fun place to play games, it's a fun place to play music. It isn't a place to really calm down because there's so much happening. And then each bedroom, has its own feeling and flair, and it's very specific to each person. And of course the basement is just a fun place. So I think you're absolutely right. The moods of the room are set by the colour and the feel, and all those things come together to help set the tone.
Well, thank you for allowing us to look into your beautiful home.
Thank you.
I hope you're gonna have a nice time with the family now that we're stuck.
Hopefully not stuck for too much longer. I mean, we're very lucky. We've got a lot of space. We've got 5 acres around the house, so we don't feel too claustrophobic.
No.
But nonetheless, it's tough times for everybody, and I wish we were back in Holland sooner rather than later.
I know. I hope the next time we can just shoot something in real life.
I know.
All right.
Send my love to everybody.
I will. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nigel.
Thank you.
Bye. En dit was hem weer. Ik hoop dat jullie het leuk vonden om Nigel's huis te zien. Super lief. Hij heeft nog alles laten zien. Ook de slaapkamers, kinderkamers, de mancave, alles. Zoals altijd, als jullie suggesties hebben voor een nieuwe gast, drop ze even hieronder. En ik zie jullie volgende week weer met een nieuwe tour. Ik ben benieuwd wie het wordt. Ik weet het nog niet. Dankjewel voor het kijken. Bye.